Okay, so we looked at a few different lightweight Kubernetes distributions, and I just want to do a quick comparison here so you can kind of understand the differences of these things. So the first is MiniCube, which runs in a virtual machine. It's intended just for development purposes, very easy to use, very, very popular, probably the easiest one to utilize, okay? Then there's Kind. It's designed to run anywhere containers run. So anywhere Docker is running, you can run Kind in. It's intended just for development purposes. It has faster startup times than MiniCube since it's not spinning up a virtual machine. So you have one that runs in a virtual machine, you have one that runs in containers. Then we have K3S and K3D, which are Kubernetes distributions by Rancher. They're slightly different in terms of what they start out with, like how they work. They are still CNCF certified. All of these are CNCF certified Kubernetes, but these ones can be used for production use case. The difference between K3S and K3D is this one is basically installed on bare metal or embedded systems, and then K3D runs wherever Docker runs, anywhere that is similar to what Kind does. It's designed for embedded edge devices or limited resources, and we did cover that there are some design choices that make these things limited compared to other things for production use case, and you have to make a trade on that. Then we have micro Kubernetes or micro K8s. This is created by Canonical, the same company that publishes Ubuntu. You need Snap to install it. If there is another way, it's probably pretty hard to do. It's a modular, starts with nothing installed, restarts everything if there's a crash. Well suited for self-hosted production use cases. So everything here is great for production. Everything here is great for development. But technically, you can use all of these for development. And even myself, I prefer to use micro Kubernetes for development. And I think it's great because then, you know, if you do self-host, it would better reflect that production environment. But it's up to you what you want to use. And it's going to be dependent on what resources you can find. So there you go, okay?